Today, we're diving into Kraken, one of the most talked about crypto exchanges. But with so many platforms out there, the big question is Kraken really safe? Let's break down what you need to know before jumping in. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a variety of digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. Right off the bat, the platform boasts strong security features like two-factor authentication and cold storage for funds, which is a big plus for anyone cautious about crypto safety. The user interface is relatively straightforward, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. However, some users have pointed out that the layout can feel a bit cluttered, especially when navigating through different trading pairs and features. Kraken also offers advanced trading options like margin trading and futures, which can be appealing to seasoned investors. One area that feels somewhat lacking is the educational resources for newcomers. While there is some guidance available, those completely new to crypto might find it a bit overwhelming without more structured support. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Kraken has a solid reputation for security, which is crucial in the crypto space. They also offer a wide variety of coins and advanced trading options, making it versatile for different types of users. However, there are a few frustrations. Some users have reported issues with customer support, citing slow response times, which can be a deal breaker in urgent situations. Additionally, the verification process can be lengthy, and for those who want to start trading quickly, this might be a bit of a hurdle. If you're someone who values security and a diverse range of assets, Kraken might be for you. But if you're looking for a super user-friendly experience or quick support, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Kraken is a solid choice for those serious about crypto trading, especially if security is your top priority. However, if you're new to the space and need more hand-holding or quick customer support, you may want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's worth a try if you're ready to dive into the crypto world.